Do you have a cat? Oh my gosh, I think I found the funnest cat toy ever. Check this out. This is a cat ball toy launcher. It's so fun and your cats will love it. You just simply load it and then shoot and watch your kitties run and chase the balls. It comes with one launcher and 80 fluffy little Pom Pom Balls, which my Maggie loves. With 80 balls, you can keep your cat busy for quite a long time. Of course, you will have balls all over, so for that, you'll need a ball retriever, and I like this model. My Maggie recommends this fun toy for all her feline friends for hours of entertainment. A do ba do ba do 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 ba do.